Okay, so 6A, this is the review for final test. Okay, when is the final test? It is next week on Wednesday. Yeah, there is only one test on Wednesday, which is English. It starts at 8 and ends at 9, only 1 hour. Okay, so because there is only one test, make sure you prepare your best for English. Okay, now, so 6A, the final test has 40 numbers. 40 numbers, and they are all multiple choice problems. Yeah, 40 numbers, multiple choice problems. Okay, and what units are tested? What units are
One, two,
tested?
three,
1, 2, 3, and 4.
4.
Yeah, unit one is about talking about feelings, past tenses review, and also expressing concerns. Unit two, we talk
Yeah.
about abstract nouns, kinds of verbs, and also first conditionals. In unit three, we talk about food groups and categories, one ones, other others, and also each other and one another. And in unit four, we talk about places to do sports and sport equipment, both and besides as well as, and the last one, so that, in order to, and so as to. Since there are 4 units tested in your final test, it means that for each unit, you will be asked 10 questions in the final test. 10 numbers for 10 for each unit, yeah? Okay? And today we're doing
Okay.
unit 1 and unit 2. Inshallah, next meeting we continue our discussions to unit 3 and unit 4.
4.
Mhm. Okay, now let's move on to unit 1. Unit 1, I am special. Remember our character Jade and Amy?
Have a protective leg. I mean, yeah. His
Yeah,
mom buy his protective leg.
yeah, her parents
Prosthetic.
bought her prosthetics legs. All right, now first topic is about talking about feelings. Yeah, when you talk about feelings, you don't only use like adjectives, and adjectives, but you can also use verbs, nouns, adjectives, and adverbs to talk about your feelings. And here are some examples. Besides this, you also learn about words that have stronger meaning than some words, right? Right,
Right.
right. Remember that? Okay.
Yeah, like
Let's
strong.
like this, like number one.
Yeah, yeah. Like
Let's move on to. I mean, I want to go to you one by one to answer the questions. Yeah. Number one, Abian. As always, Abian.
The word that has stronger feeling than tired is exhausted.
Exhausted. Very good. What about what else? Scared,
terrified.
terrified. What
Whoa.
about happy,
Excited.
over,
Overjoyed. Oh my. But
overjoyed?
excited silly.
But yeah, actually, excited is more than happy. But excited has another word that has a stronger feeling than excited. What is that?
Thrilled.
Thrilled. Yes. Excited, thrilled. What about? Let me think. Want, want. Deter.
Determined.
Yes, determined. That's stronger than want. Remember that. Okay, good. So number one is exhausted. Thank you, Abia. Next, let's go to Akila Korompis for number two. Akila, Korompis.
She said her Wi-Fi is
Oh,
disconnected.
okay. Thank you, Kinan, for the info. Next, number 2. Let's go to Akila Alwi. Wow.
I think this is easy because there is a clue.
Number 2, dear.
Yes, miss. Number 2, I was happy when mom and dad. I was happy when my mom and dad said they were saying to buy me prosthetic leg.
Yeah. Good. Do you have any other answers, 6A?
Wait, maybe thrilled, miss. I was thrilled.
Yes. Do you have
Right.
excited? What else?
The clue is
Miss, I'm
overjoyed.
thrilled, miss. I'm thrilled.
Oh,
My answer is excited.
excited. All right. Any did you know 6A actually any positive meaning any positive words that has the same meaning as happy is fine. Okay? Because we're talking about that feeling, that happiness, that joy that she felt, right? So you can say, I was happy, I was thrilled, I was excited, I was anything. But since we compare it with overjoyed, yeah, the best answer is happy. Okay, 6A.
Okay, miss.
Okay, thank you, Ali. Next, number 3. I want to go to Eldon.
Yes. In the diary entry below, Date uses adverbs to show her feelings while doing something.
Okay, is it adverbs, guys? Are they adverbs?
Yes, but
Yes,
How
at
did?
first.
Yes, that's right, Eldon. And 6A, adverbs. Bravely, wholeheartedly, cheerfully. They are all adverbs. What else do you know? Happily, sadly,
nicely.
nicely. They are adverbs to show her feelings while doing something. Okay, thank you, Eldon. Next, number 4. Erlan is not here. Faras.
In school today, our teacher asked us to talk about our dreams. When I told the class that I want to be a monster, everyone laughed. I felt hurt by their laughter.
I felt hurt. Yes, I felt hurt by their laughter. Does anyone have any other answers?
Discouraged.
Discouraged. What else? Only hurt and discouraged? Yes. Well done. 6A. Yeah. And I think any negative words, not negative words, yeah, negative any words that has negative meaning to describe feelings can be put here when it is fit to the situation explained. Yeah. Okay, well done 6A. Thank you, Faras.
Miss,
Yeah,
miss.
yeah.
Can I answer it? I feel destroyed by their laughter.
Destroyed, maybe. But destroyed with ed, yeah, because it must be an
Yes.
adjective. Okay. Okay, that's talking about feelings. Any questions? No? Okay,
No, miss.
continue. Nah, this is past tenses review. Here you have past simple, past continuous, and present perfect. Remember what I kept saying to you? That this is key. This is the key that has keywords and the form of the tenses to make you be successful in answering the questions about past tenses review. Yeah. First, look at the keywords. in the problems. Yeah, look at the keyword, find the keywords in the problems, and then you decide, is it a past simple sentence, or is it past continuous, or is it present perfect? Okay, that's the key. Next, let's move on to the questions. Fauzan, number 5, dear.
Today, our teacher told us to help anyone who needs help.
Can you find any keywords there, Fauzan?
Yesterday,
Yeah, the keyword is yesterday. It's because there is yesterday here, so it means that you need to use a verb, a past simple. How do you do it? You need to change tell into a verb to, what is the verb to of tell?
Oh,
Told. Yes, that's right. Thank you, Fauzan.
number 6 is present perfect because the key is
Number 6, we have to go to Chia. Is Chia here? Where is everybody?
I don't know. This class is like
Okay, anyway,
there's no one talking in school.
let's go to Jihan. Jihan, are you there? No?
Why there's no one talking in this classes? Oh,
Kayla, is Kayla there? Kayla is not here either. No. Kinandra, number 6.
Okay, Miss. I want to buy a new bag. I have had this old backpack since I was 10.
Okay, so the answer is in the present perfect.
perfect.
Yes. Why is it present perfect?
Because the key sense.
Because there is a keyword that you can see here, which is since. Yeah, there is since here. So you need to use a present perfect sentence as the answer. So how do you form a present perfect? Have or has plus verb 3. Subject, have or has plus verb 3. What is the subject? I. Then, because the subject is I, we need to use have or has 6a. We need to use have. You need to use have. And you
Okay.
have to change the verb in the brackets into verb 3. What is the verb in the brackets? It's have, right? So what is the verb
Okay.
3 of have? It's had. So you say, I have had, like that. Okay, 6a.
Okay, miss. Number 7 is past continuous.
Remember that. All right, thank you, Kinan. Next, let's go to Leticia. Is Leticia here? She's gone too? No.
Yeah, I don't think so. There's nothing in this class.
There are people here in the class.
This is like a ghost class.
Lukman, number 6 and number 7, dear. Okay, Abian, it's okay. Lukman, you there? Lukman, yeah. Number 7, what were you doing when it happened? When the fall happened, yeah. What were you doing?
what were you doing? It happened. I played. I played with the other student. We and she said, uh,
When she suddenly,
something was fall in front of
Incorrect.
okay. So which one is the longer action, Lukman? The playing or the falling? or the fall?
What are you doing? It happened. I playing with the other student when she suddenly falls in front of me.
Okay, almost, Lukman. Remember, you need to use the to be. I was playing. Yeah, dear. I was playing with other students when she suddenly. It's not verb one anymore, but you need to change this into verb two. What is the verb
Miss,
two of
what
fell?
happened to your camera, Miss?
I don't know. It flickers, yeah.
It's
Okay,
fell.
Fell.
fell. Okay. Thank you, Lukman. Now, why, how do you know that the answer is was playing and fell? Because of this guy. Because of this, the keyword is when. Okay. So, one of them
There
must
are
be
two
the
sentences,
past
Miss.
continuous and the other is past simple. Okay. Which one is the past continuous? The longer action. Which one is the past simple? The shorter action. You know which one the longer and the shorter actions are, right? Okay, number 8. Damar. Let's go to Razan.
Tamar invited me to his house to taste his cooking.
Yes, that's right. Invited me to his house to taste his cooking, right?
Yes.
That's right. Can you find any clues? There are no clues, right? If there are no clues or whatsoever, there are no clues, there are no results in the sentence, the answer is most likely a past simple. Okay, a past simple because that's the simplest form of the past tense. Past
Miss, but
simple.
Miss, I know Miss the answer is past simple because the key is has. His is like the past one.
No, it's not like that. Okay. Okay, please remember that. Yeah, find the keywords and then you decide which tense you should use. Next, still in Unit 1, expressing your concern. There is a dialogue which you need to complete. Let's go to Nadifa. Nadifa, number 9. What is Amy doing here? Jade answers by saying, "Oh, hi, Amy. I'm still upset that I have
Come on, answer.
disappointed my parents." Amy says, "Hi, Jade."
I want to try.
Can Obi try it? Can I try it?
Nadifa is saying something. Yes, Nadifa?
Hi Jade, how are you feeling?
Yes, that's right. Hi, Jade. How are you feeling now? Okay, good.
Miss,
Nadifa,
can we say it? Are you okay? Like that.
are you okay? Yes. What else?
And can I answer it like, hi, Jade, how's it going?
How is it going? Okay. What
Hi,
else?
Jade, are you alright?
Yes. What is Amy doing here? Amy is expressing her concern, right? Yeah, Amy is expressing her concern. Okay, good. Number 10. Now, let's go to Chacha.
Do you need any help?
Do you need any help? Yes, well done. What else? 6A.
Can I help you?
Can I help you? Okay, what else?
May I help you?
That's the same. Oh my
Is there
god.
anything that
Different.
is there anything that I can help you?
Is there anything that I can help you? Good. What else?
What should I do?
What should I do? Okay.
May I help
So, yeah. So the point is, Amy here is offering Jade her help, right? Amy is offering Jade her help by saying, is there anything I can do to help you? Or can I help you with anything? Or what else? Yeah, something like that. Yeah. The ones
Yeah.
that you have said earlier. Okay, that's unit 1, guys. Any questions?
No.
No?
Yeah, no.
Okay, good. Now, unit 2, short stories, where you meet Wang and the tiger. Now, in short stories, in unit 2, you learn about abstract nouns. You can you can add some suffixes to some words to make the words into abstract nouns, right? The suffixes are ment, ent, ship, ness. Now, let's complete the uh, let's add some suffixes to the words. Okay, foolish,
Foolishness.
ness, foolishness,
Action.
action,
Action.
Excited.
excite,
Excited.
Excitement.
excitement, happy,
Happiness.
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 happiness, move,
Movement.
Movement.
That's the easy one. Move.
movement. Okay,
Children.
what about participate?
Participation.
Participation.
Participation. What
Ooh, I'm
about
right. I'm
manage?
the first and I'm right.
Manage.
Management.
Management. What about what else? Yeah.
Management is like the work in office. My father is at management.
What about lazy?
Laziness.
Lazy.
Laziness. Yes, that's right. Okay. Now number 12. Let's go to
Rest, lazy,
Raditya.
foolish, weak. That all is.
Yes, Radit. Radit.
you to know road safety rules.
Yes.
Riding the bicycles.
Yes, road safety rules.
Number nine. Number. You asked for option number what, miss?
Number 13. I want to go to Renata. Rifa. Exhaust. Rifa is not in his seat. Oh,
Oh,
there
but
he is.
miss, I'm number 23. There is no Samara and then there's no Naya, miss. How
Rifa,
about
there
me?
is Rifa. Rifa, number 13, dear.
The long race. Exhaustion made the rabbit stop and rest under the tree.
Yes, exhaustion made the rabbit stop and rest under the tree, and that made the rabbit loose from the tortoise. Do you know that story? The rabbit and the tortoise? Yeah.
Yeah, I know. The rabbit loses because he's sleepy.
Because he was running too fast and then he felt tired after that. Okay, now that's abstract nouns. The next topic is kinds of verbs. There are 4 kinds of verbs. Action verbs, which you
Your
use
style,
to show what happens in the story
reason.
and what the characters do. Perception verbs to show what the characters do with their 5 senses. Saying verbs to show how the characters speak, like exclaim, scream, order. What else? Whisper, whisper. Right? And also the last one is thinking and feeling verbs to show the characters' thoughts and feelings, to describe the activities that is happening in your mind and in your heart. Okay, let's move on to the questions. Number 14. I want to go to OB next.
Miss, why you ask me? Come on. Play, dance, and break are example of. I think this is action verb.
Yeah,
This is the
that
easiest one, Miss.
is
Why?
action verbs. Yeah, play, dance, and break are examples of action verbs. What happens in the story, and then also what the characters in the story do. Okay, thank you, OB. Number 15, let's go back to the top. Abian.
We use perception verbs to show what the characters do with their five senses.
Yes, to show what the characters do with their five senses. Their sights, their hearing, their smelling, and then what else? Their tasting. Okay, now number 6 may make you confused. Why? Because there are not enough lines for all the letters that are needed to be there. Okay, but you know what the answer is, right?
Encourage.
What does the emperor say? This is the most beautiful music I've ever heard. He says.
Exclaimed.
Yeah, it's exclaimed. Can you see here? There is an exclamation mark. Right?
But Miss, can I ask you if just exclaim, but why there's like a letter, there's like something letter missing in there?
I know, I've said it earlier. That may make you confused, right? Because there are not enough lines for all the letters needed to be put there. Okay, that's my mistake. I'm sorry about that. Okay, exclaim. This is an exclamation. There is an exclamation mark, and you say it, and he said it with full of spirit. This is the most beautiful music I've ever heard. He says that. Okay, that's kinds of verbs. Any questions about that? No? All right, the last topic, guys. What is it?
Unless, if, and
Uh,
until.
First conditionals. We use first conditionals to talk about the possibilities in the future if we do something right now or in the future. Okay? Now, in a first conditional sentence, there is a condition and there is a result. In the condition, we use if plus present simple or if plus subject plus verb 1. Yeah. And in the result, we use will future. What is it? Subject plus will plus verb 1. Okay. And first conditional sentences do not always use if, but it can also use unless. What is unless? Unless is the exact opposite of if. Unless means if not. So when we use unless, the result and the the condition and the result do not go to the same way. They go to opposite directions. All right. Okay. So when it doesn't, aduh, you scared me. So when it doesn't make sense, then the answer must be unless. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the questions. Number 17, let's ask Akila Korompis.
If he followed the instruction carefully, he will be able to answer. If he if he read the ins- if he reads the instructions carefully, he will be able to answer correctly.
Excellent, Akila Korompis. She doesn't forget the S. He reads, guys. He reads the instruction carefully. He will be able to answer correctly. Why with S, guys? Why?
Because there's a he before the sentence.
Yeah, because the subject is a he. He, she, it reads with us. Remember that. But I, you, they, we read. Yeah, I, you, they, we read. But he, she, it reads. Don't forget. Okay, good. Akila Krompis. Next, number 18, we go to Eldon. Akila Awi, sorry.
You are old and you um
Answer it.
unless,
One.
unless you are old enough, you won't be allowed to go anywhere alone.
Okay. So when the condition and the result do not make sense, right? You are old enough. You won't be allowed to go anywhere alone. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? No.
No?
Right? So the answer must be unless. Yes. Okay, good. Akila, Alwi, next number 19 is Eldon.
Rewrite the sentence with unless without changing the meaning of the sentence. If she doesn't hurry up, she will miss the bus. If she doesn't hurry up, unless
It's like this. You change the if into unless. Unless
she hurry up.
Unless she
Hurry up.
And then the rest of the sentence.
Unless she hurry up, she will miss. She won't miss the bus.
Hmm?
Can I help him, miss?
Can I help him?
Unless she hurry up, she will miss the bus.
Hmm? Yes, Eldon, that's right. If she hurry up, she will miss the bus. Okay, 6A. Is Eldon's answer missing something?
Hurries up.
Yes, the S. Yeah, do not forget. Yeah, guys, yeah.
But I think he answered it with SMS, but I think we didn't hear.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Unless, do not forget the S, hurries up, she will miss the bus. That's how you change the if into unless, yeah, guys. You change if into unless. You change one of the clauses into the opposite. If you want to change this one is negative, right? It means that you need to change it into positive. But the other clause stays the same. See here, same, right? No changes at all. Okay, the only one that changes is the first clause. If into unless, and this from negative into positive. But if this sentence, if this clause is positive, it means that you need to change it into negative, right? Okay, now the last one, number 20. Why did I click it? Let's go to Faras.
Unless the magician show us some new. Finish the sentence with your own idea. Unless the magician show us some new tricks.
What is your answer, Faras? We will. You haven't answered this one yet, Haras? What do you feel if the magician keep using the same tricks again and again and again? You will feel
Mad.
mad, bored.
The show will be boring.
Yeah. Unless the magician shows us some new tricks, the show will be boring. What
But
else?
my answer is the audience won't surprise it.
Huh?
Yeah, because the
audience what?
audience not surprised it again.
Oh, the audience won't be surprised anymore. Yeah.
Yeah,
What
and
else?
then unless the
They will
magician,
be bored.
The audience will be bored. What else?
the audience won't watch it and go out the theater.
Yes, the audience will walk out of the theater, right? The audience will make a protest. The audience will close down the theater, something like that. Okay. Okay, so yeah, you will see something like this too in the test, inshallah. Okay, 6A, that's unit 2. Next meeting, inshallah, we continue to unit 3 and 4. Do you have any questions here? Guys? No? Okay, if you don't have any questions,
Oh man,
I'm gonna end this sharing, yeah. I'm gonna stop sharing the screen. Okay,
there
6A.
is 14 people.
Yes,
This
I
is
know.
13.
Some of them are having like internet problems, like Renata and Latisha is ill right now. I don't know about the others, yeah. Abian is having like an internet connection problem too. That's why he is turning off his camera. Okay. So that's it for today, 6A. Oh yeah, I forgot to say we forgot to say basmala earlier, yeah. Sorry about that, 6A.
Already, basmala already.
That's why there
Did it
there are
already.
just 13 people because we not say basmala. There's just 13 people.
Okay, Chacha, can you please lead your friends to say hamdalah, dear? Chacha, Renata ya. After Renata, Rifa Al-Insan.
After we study, let's say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Alamin. Okay, thank you so much for today, 6A. If you still have questions, you can contact me at my number. Okay?
Yeah.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Allahu yubarik fikum. Allahu yubarik fikum. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Miss. Jazakumullah khair, Miss.
Bye, Bye-bye.